I'm tired.
The time? Should we show him the car?
Yeah, go ahead, show him. Yo, what is going on, you guys? So, should I show them the color? You think they're ready? I mean, y'all saw the hard work this guy put in, but this is the color, bro. This is the outcome of Slapper Wrap. It's right here. Now, he did order a bigger banner for the back windshield, but he also did some B-roll too, so I'll add that in for you guys. But yeah, we've been staring at it non-stop, and it's a completely different car, bro. Like, tuck game is on point, and the only thing that's blue still is just the door jambs. All these cuts are by hand, no machine, no anything. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy that little B-roll that he took. I think I need to buy a, what is it called, a DJI Pocket thing? Yeah, I was doubting it for the longest, but bro, it's very stable. But today we got one other thing. We're gonna try to test fit it first, because I'm a little short. Oh, let me see if it'll focus. Yeah, so I'm a little short. I did buy one other thing. I got a sponsorship through Brom Racing, so we got some seats here. We didn't know, or at least I didn't know, they sit really low. So yeah, we're gonna test fit the driver's side and see, because if that's the case, I gotta buy some risers. But yeah, that's how the 86 is looking. That carbon fender killed us. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, that was like the longest part. Last night I was not in the mood to record. We were just trying to get this thing out. But yeah, we went ahead and did that. And I also, while the car was in the shop, I went ahead and installed an intake as well. As of right now, I'm still currently waiting on a bass tune from Flores to just retune, but he said the car is good to drive. But yeah, guys, we got a Grimspeed air intake. It's a little bit louder. I'll do like a whole review if it's worth the buy, but honestly, I had to get it because my when I went to pull my front bumper off, I had noticed that there was a crack, so I just wanted to go ahead and get rid of that, get it out of the way. But yeah, guys, this is everything. There's no fender liner in here. I like that a lot better. I do have to do a few other things. They'll be in a separate video, but I gotta tidy up some low glow and stuff like that. One of the strips went out, which I'm lucky to have a backup strip at my house. I tugged on it a little too hard and the motherboard got yanked out a little bit, so yeah. But new diffuser. This guy had to do some fabrication. This dude, that was a pain, wasn't it?
You're right next to me shaking your nuts off, bro. Oh, you gotta avoid that, shaking. I can't do that. In case kids watching, you gotta avoid them.
Yeah, right?
Now you're right next to me trembling, bro.
I was trembling. Bro, you already got the seat roll on?
Pretty much.
Why are you so fast? And then he's got this car. He's got that car still. Then his brother Subi, he already started unwrapping it a little bit. There's still some blue left. I don't know quite yet what color he's gonna do, but he pulled all his wrap off. This is 4-year-old wrap installed by this man right here, and it's still, as you can see, this is adhesive, nothing else. And this wrap he's redoing, the same color, right?
Well,
this one?
Either the same color on the top or redo the whole wrap.
Yeah. He doesn't know quite yet, but he's probably either gonna do just the top or redo the entire car. So yeah, this man's pretty busy, bro, for the most part. And then he got this Volkswagen Luis.
That's gonna be on by Friday, hopefully.
Friday? Good God, bro.
And I still work a full-time job. I gotta do something, bro.
Bro, this guy has got to freaking quit the full time and start doing this.
Naps, remember?
Yeah, he takes naps is what he calls it. A little 4 hours of sleep. Nah, bro. That's basically everything. We're gonna go ahead and take the driver's seat out. Hopefully everything goes good. If not, I'm gonna have to put a pillow under me or something.
You got your status pillows.
Yeah, I got my status pillows for my neck, bro. I'm gonna have to use those to see over the steering wheel. Hopefully that's not the case. But I'll let you guys know. We're gonna go ahead and try to start taking all this stuff out. But yeah, guys, this is the wrap reveal. I'll probably pull up somewhere else too before the end of the video and let you guys get at least one more look. But let me know what you guys thought the color was going to be and what you think about the color. So honestly, I love it. But yeah, bro, y'all gotta hit him up if you want wraps, bags, steering wheels, seats, goldfish. You supply goldfish?
You want some chips, whatever. Let me know. I got it. I'm the plug.
He said goldfish. Well, all right, guys. I'll pick it back up once we started taking out the seat. All right, guys. So the seat is finally out of the car. It's a little dirty. The other one's right here. We went ahead and put it right here. But I didn't make any, like, I didn't get the hardware that we needed. So this man is fabricating some damn washers over
Big
here.
ass washers, bro.
Look at them washers. So huge washers to go ahead and put inside of the seatbelt bracket area.
So the OEM one has welded bolts.
Yeah, I didn't know that the OEM had welded bolts in it. Like, what the hell, Toyota? Oh, look, Bruno's checking it. He's quality checking, bro. It's verified.
Quality check, man.
Yeah, quality check, bro. Yeah, so now we're doing a little bit of rigging just to get this thing going. I'll hold that right there. And they really going through it with us, but at home. Y'all see the stress we gotta go through just to make things work and pretty?
That's all we can do, bro. That's good. There it is.
That's it. Now we just gotta go ahead and set it in. And let's see if I can see over the steering wheel. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. We got him in.
Just send me those pictures, bro.
We got him in.
Oh, how's it going? How's it going?
We got him in.
Damn, brother.
Look at that. Tough. Y'all let me know.
They were fun and stuff.
They were fun?
They were fun. A little boo-boo.
And we got them in. Y'all let me know if I should do harness bars. Yeah, there was a lot of little things that were missing, but yeah, I'll probably pick y'all up in a couple days or whatever. I'm dead, to be quite honest with you. But
Gotta take a break.
yeah, I gotta take a break. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'll show y'all again, you know, once I pick it up. But I'm dead and I'm pretty much done for today. So yeah, just wanted to show y'all it's in, and to definitely hit up Slapper Wrap to go ahead and get your wraps, bags, whatever you need done. This is the finished product. Bruh, looks crazy. Alright, what is up, you guys? So I got the 8.6 parked up right here. It has been a few days. I have not picked up the camera whatsoever. I've been super busy in my personal life, and I've just had a whole lot going on. So I finally had some free time to go ahead and come out here and give you guys a proper outro like I promised. I know the seat video was a little bit like all over the place. I was tired, my boy was tired, but yeah. I'm currently pulled up to one of my favorite spots as well. I feel like I'm always here for a lot of my videos. It's just very secluded and very ducked off in the back, so I'm always here. But yeah, guys, this is what the 86 is looking like. I'm super happy with it. I feel like I didn't really show this off that much, but the rear diffuser And oh man, I feel like the rear diffuser just really tied in the rear. Hold on, let me come back here real quick for you guys. Look at that. It looks so freaking aggressive, guys. Like, I feel like it added what was most needed. Like, I feel like the rear end was very bland, and this just sets it off to a whole nother level. So I'm super happy with that. We did have to do a little bit of fabrication just to get this thing to fit and mount properly. Yeah, so we did have to do some fabrication to get it to work. I feel like it makes everything look a lot lower than what it really is. But yeah, the color again changed from when you guys previously saw it. It does change color. Like, it's really hard to describe, but it goes from like this color to a much brighter kind of like goldish color. So I am gonna reveal it right here. It is called Millennium Jade from Vinyl Frog. This is Millennium Jade. The reason I picked it is because when I was driving around Gatlinburg, I didn't see this exact color, and I wanted something that no one else has, or that I have seen with this platform. So super happy with it. I love the color. I am gonna leak it. Sorry, I am gonna leak it. It is called Millennium Jade from Vinyl Frog. This is what it looks like. Like I said, it goes to this kind of grayish green, I feel like. The carbon fiber fenders as well is the surprise that was in the other video. That is how it's looking. We did go ahead and wrap this, as well as leave this exposed carbon fiber right here, and went ahead and followed through and left everything else wrapped. This is exposed. Let me know down below if I should wrap this like this color and then leave these exposed, like leave these two vents exposed with like maybe a little line right here. So let me know what you guys think, as well as going ahead and either as well as wrapping the whole top of the trunk, or just doing like a line of like some sort of this color. Like, I don't know. I have a few little like ideas, and he has a lot more wrap left over. So let me know what you guys think, if I should go ahead and do that. But yeah, I couldn't have done it without him. Like, I couldn't have done it without my boy over at Slap Wrap. So I will be leaving all his information down below as well for your wrap needs, your Starlight needs, your seat installs. This guy does damn near everything. And yeah, speaking about seats, this is of course the Brom Racing seat. It looks so freaking good. Let me go ahead and open the door and show you guys what it looks like. So this is the Brom Racing seat. It comes with like this carbon fiber backing pattern on the back of the seat. It's really comfortable, super soft, and they embroidered their name right into the top of the seat, as you guys can see, which looks absolutely amazing. And the seat is super comfortable, and it hugs you. It feels so freaking nice. So they are my sponsors, so huge shout out to Brom Racing for sending over these seats. They're freaking sick. I feel like it tied in the interior so much more than when it just had the other seats. If you guys didn't really pay attention that much, there was a rip on the driver's side seat, and it just bothered me so freaking much. Like, I had a clean steering wheel, bad seats, and then yeah, it just made the interior look a little trashy. So yeah, man, I'm so freaking blown away with how far this car has come. Like, I know you guys haven't seen it from how far it's come. Like, maybe, like, I know you guys haven't seen it from how far it's come, but there are other people behind the scenes that have seen this car from like bone stock to first set of wheels to like these wheels, bags, wrap, like everything. But this is how it's looking. I am so infatuated with how this car turned out. It looks so good. I had a lot of people that were iffy too about this color as well. And not only that did I achieve, not only that, but I did the badge delete, and I think I pulled it off without a doubt, and I love how that looks. So the only thing that is left of the 86 is the headlights. Overall, I'm happy with it. Huge shout out to not only Brom Racing but Slap Rap as well. You guys helped bring this build together even more, so huge shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. I do want to talk about the seat install a little bit as well. They really weren't that hard. Again, I'm sorry I didn't do like a whole dedicated video, but I didn't want to just pop out with the wrap and then do the seats next. Like, I wanted to tie that in, so yeah. I also went ahead and threw in a Grimspeed air intake as well. I think I did show you guys, but I'll go ahead and pop my hood again and show you. So huge shout out to Flores Tuning as well for doing his thing. And getting this dialed in once again, so that I can run my air intake without issues. But that is the Grimspeed air intake, guys, and nothing crazy, no crazy power gains, but all in all, I did clean up the engine bay. It left a lot more room for me to be able to get in there without having any issues and running into other, you know, things and having that big old like air box in the way. So happy about that, really happy about that. But that is gonna do it for today's video. I know it has been all over the place. You guys will definitely be seeing this car some more. You guys enjoyed the wrap reveal. I hope you guys are happy with it. Let me know down below what you guys think about the color. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? Do you think it should have been a different color? Let me know. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.